In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can redeem secret codes here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 for exclusive rewards. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, I do want to say stay tuned here on the channel for more videos on these secret rewards. Make sure you're subscribing to the channel with all notifications on so you don't miss those, because I'm going to be making a lot of videos on that. But in order to do this, you're going to need access to some sort of web browser. I'm on PC right now and I'm recording this on PC, so I'm just going to open up a web browser of my choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but you could use really whatever you would like. And you can do this on mobile devices as well. But essentially, what you're going to want to go ahead and do is actually just navigate to callofduty.com/redeem and then hit enter. It's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. You are going to need to go ahead and make sure that you do sign in to your account, which is going to be linked up here at the very top. Make sure you select that and make sure you sign in. But once you do get to callofduty.com/redeem and after you have signed in, it's going to take you to a page that looks something like this. Go ahead and just select this option to enter in your code and type in whatever code you might have. Now in this example, this is a code for an exclusive calling card. Once you type in whatever code you might have, simply go ahead and hit redeem. And as you can see, it's going to go ahead and give you that reward. And now it does say the item is going to be available starting at the launch of the game. The game did just come out, but pretty much if you have the game opened up right now, you are going to have to fully back out of it and then load back into it, and you will see that in your inventory. So in this example, this was a calling card, so I would just go over to this career tab right here, select customize, go to the calling card section, and within here I'd be able to scroll down and eventually I would find it. There's so many calling cards in this game. Overall though, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.